Oops.
Funk music.
That's better.
Hey, yo, I don't know what I'm thinking, because it's not a great idea.
Boyfriend, I know you said it.
Well, of course! I'm thinking I had a great idea. We made back home.
Oh yeah,
I think we had a great time. We saw the movie theaters.
because I love it, have it, I wanted. Oh, we didn't have a great time.
Yeah, you said it, friend. Well, it's just you and me. Girlfriend and Nene are busy right now.
So the boyfriend and Pinko just chilling in their room. So they're getting bored for now. Well, sometimes Pinko is not very excited. Well, the boyfriend said he wanted to do something else. Well, Pinko don't have a choice. Well, he just agreed the boyfriend. Well, what they do? So the boyfriend agreed. Well, he looks happy now. So Pinko and boyfriend go outside, go to park. So meanwhile, Junior, his friends watching Carl. Carl is just round circle in the tree, well, chasing the fake paper, I guess. Well, after Carl spin round, spin right down, bang, right. Okay, just kidding. Don't copyright this music. Don't the video get blocked. So Kamek and Koopa want to leave now, but Junior sadly gonna miss them. But after they leave, so the boyfriend and Pango just into the park waiting something, but no, it's too boring. Later they go a town, so they told a girlfriend and Nene because their video. So they had a plan to make a funny YouTube video about a meme, a cool meme. So the girlfriend wanna make some video. So the boyfriend, he like it. So anyway, he just a deal. So Nene said how they're gonna make the video. So a boyfriend and Pinko have make their own memes. So they start making videos already. So anyway, after they leave, meanwhile at home, so Pinko holding the camera, the video camera, ready recorded. So the boyfriend, he's ready. So he told him, to start recording. So what Pico do? He started recording. So the boyfriend just jumping, sided, before he moved, but he slipped. He screamed, he fall in the ground. And Pinko just laughing. So after the video was done, so what they do, so they had to upload the video. Yeah, the boyfriend are starting upload. So the video was uploaded on YouTube. So they gotta wait how many subscribers or viewers saw the video. Meanwhile, in the Cap Kingdom, we see Cappy and TR. They chilling their couch, being cute all this time. Well, they get bored, though they have to watch YouTube videos on the computer. So they check out the video, been fine looking, and before they found it. Well, they saw that video. The boyfriend was slipped. He hurt himself. So Gabby started watching the video. After they watch, they start laughing because the video is very funny. Tiara, she loved it. Well, she started chuckles because the video is very super funny. Yeah, it's very funny. Well, they love it. Well, they cannot stop laughing. They love it so much because they love it. So anyway, so they said to tell everyone about this video. So they sent to everyone in the world. So Baldy is on his phone. William saw this sent from Happy TR. After he saw that, he started laughing. He loved it. So girlfriend and Nene, they saw the video. They started laughing. Very funny because they love it. Because it looks very super funny. Meanwhile, at Pommy, well, she saw the video, so she loved it. Well, she in distress. Well, she started laughing so hard because she loved it. After she laughed, so meanwhile, at Aladdin, Traduction, Aladdin, Sparrow, and Ogre, they saw the video because they love it. So Mr. Goodman not interested. Well, everyone are laughing because the video is funny. So everyone keep laughing a lot. So meanwhile, Grandma Freddy, so with Monty Gator, Roxanne Wolf, and Grandma Chica, they laughing because the video is very, very funny. In the next scene show Cindy Vortex and Wavy Vortex. Because Cindy, she's not interested because what kind of video is that? Well, she's not surprised. So Skin and Palm, they're laughing because the video was very funny because they laugh so hard because they love it. Because it's super, very, very funny. So here's Jimmy and Carl Sheen. They saw the video because the video is very funny because they love it. Now, meanwhile, Baxter Jr. and Kamek and Koopa Troopas, they love the video because the video is very, very funny. They started laughing because it's funny. Now back to the Cap Union. So Cabby and TR, they're give high fives to each other because thanks for sending for everyone in the world saw that video. on YouTube. So they're celebrating dancing because of that video. So they're celebrating. They're making some delicious cupcakes for everyone in the Cat Kingdom. She started making a cupcake, so he just handed over everyone the cupcake. So meanwhile back home, the boyfriend got the awesome mean cool videos trophy because they earned it for a video. They got 100 views and his friends are celebrating. Well, they did the right thing. The end. So Pommy just very, very tired. She needs to go to bed because it is late. She wanna go to bed so bad. So after she get in bed, she need to close her eyes because she need sleep. After her eyes get closed and she falls asleep. Very gentle. Very nicely. Very gentle. After she opened her eyes, she heard something very awful sound. She looked around, she I don't know what's up with her sound. Because the bang, bang, bang sound. And the left one is just hitting knock, knock. Pommy can't stand that sound because she wanna go to sleep. It's knock, knock, left sound will too much. And the top one is bang, bang. Pommy tried to cover her ears because she can't stand that sound. Man, she can't take this anymore. She yelled, knock it off. She can't take this anymore. But the sound is gone. Finally stop. So Pommy is very surprised. She's just go back to sleep, gentle, and she was asleep again. The end.